download install HappyMod in an iOS. So yeah guys, let's start the video. So right guys, if you are new on this channel, so hit the subscribe button, then press the bell icon and like this video. It's really helping out. So first off, in order to download the HappyMod, what you need to do guys, you need to open Safari and any web browser. Once you open that, make sure you have an stable internet connection. If you are not, and go with the mobile data or any other connection. So once you open the Safari and web browser, you're gonna type the HappyMod. After that, you will find those all websites that give you the link the HappyMod. But there is most probably there's some website that doesn't allow the all server of the HappyMod, but you need to find the right website that will give you the perfect. So you're gonna tap and that's like the install option. Tap on that. After some moment, your HappyMod will install in your iOS. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. So guys, if this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.